Often in history, we discuss human versus human conflicts. But on November 20th, 1820, for a couple of Nantucket sailors, they experienced the worst day of their lives. And it was no human versus human conflict. This was human versus nature. Welcome to Mr. Ross's History Rush. Today's topic will be the wreck of the whale ship Essex, which was a complete maritime disaster that not only resulted in the wreck and sinking of a ship, but also the cannibalization of some of its crewmen. At the height of the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s, whaling had become extremely profitable. On August 12, 1819, the Essex, a whaling ship, set sail for a 2-year journey along the South Pacific. All seemed well until November 20th, 1820, when a whale surprisingly attacked the ship and sank it. But this was only the beginning of the nightmare for the crewmen of the Essex, as they would now be stranded at sea with little to no food. A decision needed to be made. What comes next is a tough decision by the crewmen of the Essex, but what they decide is they need to resort to cannibalism to survive. To decide who is going to be the victim of the cannibalism, they draw lots. They call it the custom of the sea. Drawing lots is just like drawing the short or long straw. If you draw the shortest straw, you're in trouble. The crew separated limbs from his body and cut all the flesh from the bones, after which we opened the body, took out the heart, and then closed it again, sewed it up as decently as we could, and committed it to the sea. Rations of human flesh did not last long, and the more the survivors ate, the hungrier they felt. Because of this cannibalism, 8 would survive the journey out of the 21 who started it. It makes you wonder what went into the thinking of this, and how do you even consider doing such a crazy thing?